Sing it, y'all. So what? You had a bad day, and things may have not went your way. Damn, what a tragedy.
R.I.P. NYC 911, real tragedy.
Now we live in a time where greed runs our lives, and it's hard trying to survive, but we won't get down because we've got these rough times.
Nobody has left on their minds.
Times are steady changing,
Things seem so much easier,
yet so much harder these working times. Gotta get that
cheddar man. I know you know better, man.
Gotta take someone with skills, true mathematics. You are
one of a kind. So make up your mind.
Make up your mind, I'm telling you, baby.
Now we don't have much time.
So just remember, one of a kind, one of a kind, one of a kind. From the seed you've been original, don't think you're even close to second. And all the gifts that God has given you, I know you're truly blessed. And now's the time to flip your script. Now that you know what you're dealing with, no more underdog business.